Good evening, Doug Christie at Durie Farms again. Um, this year, for the first time ever, I have 400,000 kilograms of dry matter of grazing ahead of me without the spend. I've done this by trying to improve my soils, particularly their aggregate stability, which should hopefully lead to better water retention in the summer and greater water infiltration rates in the winter, and allowing me to extend the grazing period and carrying capacity of the land. This is being done by daily moves and long rest periods of the grass. For example, the cows and calves have been on rest periods of 35 days, 40 days, 50 days, and then over 85 days since April. 3 years ago, I had a dilemma, and instead of reseeding 100 acres of long-term permanent grass at an estimated total cost of £15,000, I decided to give mob grazing a try with the aim of increasing its forage productivity naturally. Costs of the infrastructure, electric and water systems was well below this for the whole of the livestock area. Encouraging species diversity with their differing below ground rooting traits and selling the plough, and also not buying any more ryegrass, which is not ideally suited to the system, should also help further the aggregate stability of the soil, allowing the farm business to itself become more resilient and future-proof. Thank you for listening.